The construction projects in Lanzhou have increased dramatically in the past 2 years. Lanzhou is an important node for the construction of the Belt and Road Initiative. I used to be a truck driver. Some of my classmates were engaged in construction machinery, so I also bought a Shantuei 20-ton roller. The quality of Shantuei products is really good. It brings good benefits to me. At present, I have more than 10 sets of Shantuei machinery. All my classmates and friends trust in the quality of Shantuei products. The compaction of Shantuei products is stronger. After rolling the bed course with 4 equipment rolling, and let the last machine finish the surface, 94% of the road surface is qualified without the need of monitoring. The largest advantage is wide view. The cab is comfortable, low in noise, and good in cooling effect. For the fuel consumption, when doing the same work with the same tonnage rollers, fuels should be charged every 1.5 days before. Now it is once every 2 days. Shantuei products are fuel efficient and have good after-sales service. Technicians can provide service at all times, no matter in daytime or at night. Respond within 15 minutes after a repair report and arrive at job site within 3 hours if the distance is not more than 100 kilometers.